Choosing the right legal structure for your business is a crucial decision that can have significant implications for taxation, liability, and governance. In the United States, entrepreneurs have several options when it comes to selecting a business legal entity, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. 1. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business entity owned and operated by a single individual. In a sole proprietorship, the owner has full control over the business and its operations. The owner is personally liable for all debts and obligations of the business. Income and losses from the business are reported on the owner's personal tax return. 2. Partnership. A partnership is a business structure formed by two or more individuals who agree to share profits and losses. In a partnership, partners contribute capital, labor, or expertise to the business. Partners share management responsibilities and decision-making authority. Partners are jointly and severally liable for the debts and obligations of the partnership. Income and losses are reported on the partner's individual tax returns. 3. Limited liability company, LLC. A limited liability company, LLC, is a flexible business structure that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the pass-through taxation of a partnership. In an LLC, owners are called members and enjoy limited liability protection, meaning their personal assets are generally protected from business debts and liabilities. LLCs can choose to be taxed as a disregarded entity, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. LLCs are governed by an operating agreement, which outlines the rights, responsibilities, and operating procedures of the business. 4. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders, managed by a board of directors, and operated by officers. In a corporation, shareholders have limited liability protection, meaning their personal assets are generally shielded from business liabilities. Corporations issue stock to shareholders, who may receive dividends and have voting rights. Corporations are subject to double taxation, meaning profits are taxed at the corporate level and dividends are taxed again when distributed to shareholders. 5. S corporation. An S corporation is a special type of corporation that elects to pass corporate income, losses, deductions, and credits through to its shareholders for federal tax purposes. In an S corporation, shareholders enjoy limited liability protection. S corporations are subject to certain eligibility requirements, including a limit on the number and type of shareholders, who must be U.S. citizens or residents. S corporations are taxed at the shareholder level, avoiding double taxation at the corporate level. Choosing the right business legal entity is a critical step in establishing and operating a successful business in the United States. Each type of entity offers different advantages and disadvantages in terms of liability protection, taxation, and governance. It's essential to carefully consider your business goals, financial situation, and long-term objectives before selecting a legal structure. Consulting with a qualified attorney or tax advisor can provide valuable guidance and assistance in making this important decision.